Does that look swollen?
Some people leave it. I stop mix up in
We are so late for class today. But look at the trees. That is lit.
Literally, last week was so awesome.
I'm ready. Going at it. Going at it. Going at it. Orange. Juice. Water. 2.
Just
Chips.
this.
Okay, so we've been out of class for a while. A friend dropped me off, and I do not have my keys. So, I'm just hoping she comes back so that I can get in my car. Otherwise, I'll have to walk home. Got my keys. My friend came back. She was looking around. She was like, "Are you sure they're in here?" And I was like, "I was just in here. They are in here." And they were right under the chair. Thank God! This feels amazing. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen today. Today, Mitchell is going to be practicing as keeper because Parker is just not seeming like he wants to play. So today we're gonna really see who wants to play and who doesn't, because I'm done dealing with the whole I'm too tired to play or I don't want to play attitude. Like, I'm just done. So today should be interesting.
Don't.
Get him! Best friend for 5 years now? Yeah. How sad.
Did you say how sad?
I totally thought I said goodnight to you guys, but I guess I didn't. It's 11 now. Man, it's so hot in this house. Dang, what was I just talking about? Oh, yeah. Just want to wish goodnight to you guys. Tomorrow is the weigh-in, so we're gonna find out if we made any progress. I'm sincerely hoping that we did. I mean, I feel like I actually worked harder than I did the previous 10 days. Well, the 10 days prior to these 10 days, if you feel what I'm saying. I'm so sorry. Anyway, yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I still haven't uploaded the recent videos. I'll probably do that during my 2-hour gap tomorrow, just so that I don't slack on you guys. I ain't gonna lie, it was fun the first 10 days, and then when I tried to wait every weigh-in day to upload a video, I was like, this is dumb. So I'm still gonna keep, making a video every day for you guys. It's just gonna keep getting harder and harder, but truthfully, I love it. I love making these videos for you guys. I just hope that, because when I make these videos, it's to basically document my journey from being this kid who graduated high school, was on his way to play college soccer, was in the college, had to leave the college, and had to come back, and now is working his way back to the same position that he was in because he didn't get to take the opportunity that he wanted, and from there to the pros. And I'm serious, you guys. I will be in the MLS, and I will play for the U.S. national team, and I will play in the World Cup, and I will win the World Cup, and I will play in the Olympics. Note that. What day is it? Okay, it's April 19th. It's only a matter of time, man. I ain't gonna stop until I'm dead. See you guys tomorrow.